How to delete Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can delete your Facebook account after the latest update. Now, as you know, after the latest update, many of you are having problems deleting your account. Normally, if you open up Facebook here and head into the three-line icon that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen here, and then head into settings, tapping on settings icon and head into personal and account information, here you'll find the option account ownership and control, and under it you'll be able to deactivate or delete your account. Now you can see I'm on Facebook and there is no any such option here. Now if you do have the option here, you can easily delete or deactivate from here. However, if you don't have it, what you want to do is head into your Play Store and search in for the app FB Lite. Simply search in for Facebook Lite here and download the app and log into your account here. Now once you download and log in on Facebook Lite, what you want to do is open it up there and again tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings. Simply head into settings and privacy, scroll down and head into settings, and under settings head into personal and account information, and here you'll find the option access and control. You can see access and control. Simply tap on edit here and you'll find two different options, deactivation and deletion and memorialization settings. Simply tap on deactivation and deletion and you can choose either you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. If you want to delete it, simply tap on delete and tap on continue, and it'll ask you for password here, and then once you tap on continue it'll ask you for password, and once you type in your password and tap on continue, your Facebook account will be deleted. So this way you can delete Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.